Hello dear students and teachers, welcome back to the video series on Science MCQ Preparatory Exam. Previously, we have solved one paper. It is the second part of this video series. In total, you will be learning 80 questions after this video. So don't miss out any video. Do subscribe the channel. For each and every question, read textbook and understand the concept so that it will be very easy for your exam. Already we have solved 5 MCQ maths preparatory exam covering 200 questions and complete concepts. Do check out maths MCQ preparatory exam. Now first question, the magnetic field at the center of a circular loop appears as straight line. The magnetic field at the center of a circular loop appears as option A, straight line. Question number 42. H equals I square RT is the mathematical form or expression of Joule's law. Question number 43. The main component of biogas is option A, methane. Question number 44. When a 12 volts battery is connected across an unknown resistor, there is a current of 6 amperes in the circuit. The value of resistance of the resistor is. Students, by using Ohm's law states that V is directly proportional to I, that is V equals I into R. The mathematical form of Ohm's law is V equals I into R. Now we need to calculate, that is R equals V divided by I. What is V? V is 12 volts divided by 6. We get 2. Therefore we get 2 ohm. The value of resistance of the resistor is 2 ohm. The lens which converges light rays is convex lens. Next question. The magnification of the lens is the ratio of image size by object size, that is option D, H dash by H. Now moving to next question. Which of the following is not a characteristics of a good fuel? Option A, that is reduced energy released per unit size. This is one of the not desired characteristics of good fuel. 48th question. The frequency of direct current is 0 Hz. Frequency of DC current is 0. The symbol that indicates rheostat is option B, that is the variable resistance. The potential difference between the resistors is 6 volts of 3 ohms. What is the current? By using Ohm's law, I equals V divided by R, we get 2 amperes. The direction of the electric current at one end of the electromagnet is clockwise. It faces towards south pole. The power of a lens is plus 2 diopters, then the lens is plus sign indicates it is convex lens. Therefore the correct answer is option B, convex lens. Question number 53. The unit of electric resistivity is ohm meter. Therefore the correct answer is option B, ohm meter. The size of the image formed when an object is placed beyond 2 f1 of convex lens is, the size of the image will be of same size of the object. Therefore the correct answer is option C, same size. The gas liberated when concentrated sulfuric acid reacts with zinc granules. The correct answer is option D, hydrogen gas is released. Tooth decay starts when the pH of the mouth is below 5.5. If the solution turns red litmus to blue, then the pH of the solution is, it is a basic solution. Therefore the correct answer is option A, 10. Other options indicate they are acid. The lustrous non-metal is The correct answer is option D, iodine. Question number 59. The chemical formula of cinnabar, the ore of mercury, is, the correct answer is option B, HGS. That is cinnabar. Food cans are coated with tin, not with zinc, because zinc is more reactive than tin, therefore it can react with the food, therefore zinc is not used, whereas tin is used to coat the food cans. The bond formed between two carbon atoms in a compound is covalent bond. The type of bond between carbon atoms are covalent bond. Which of the following is a saturated carbon compound? The correct answer is option A, C2H6, that is ethane, that is alkane series. Question number 63. Observe the steps involved in the extraction of the metals from the carbonate ore, reduction of metals, purification of metals. The correct answer or the correct box to be filled is option D, calcination. For carbonate ore, we use the calcination process, that is heating the ore in the limited supply of air. The functional group present in propanol is, did Al indicates it is an aldehyde, therefore correct answer is option A, CHO. Question number 65. The soap is the sodium salt of long chain carboxylic acid whose hydrophilic end is. The hydrophilic end of soap is sodium ion. Therefore the correct answer is option C, sodium ion tip. One is hydrophobic end and other is hydrophilic end. The hydrophilic end is sodium ion. The scientist who proposed the law of octaves is Newland. Newland proposed the law of octaves. In the modern periodic table, the elements helium, neon, argon and krypton are placed in which group? All these elements are placed in 18th group, or we call that as 0 group, because these elements have octet structure. They are inert in nature. In the modern periodic table, along the period moving from left to right, the atomic radius decreases. The atomic radius decreases across the period. Which hormone is called as personality hormone? Thyroxine hormone is called as personality hormone. The pure blood from the lungs first enters this part of the heart. It is the left atrium. The part of the hindbrain that is responsible for maintaining the posture and balance of the body is cerebellum. Cerebellum maintains the balance and posture of the body. The plant hormone that inhibits plant growth is abscisic acid. Nowadays, we are seeing heavy garbage waste. This is because of change in our lifestyle, changed packaging methods, overuse of disposal waste. The correct answer is option D, all the above. The element responsible for depletion of ozone is chlorine. Chlorine is responsible for depletion of ozone layer. The traditional method of sustainable management of natural resources is option A, water harvesting. Water harvesting is one of the traditional way of management of natural resources. The structure that facilitates the passage of glucose and oxygen from the mother to the fetus is placenta. Check about the overall function of placenta from the textbook. An example of analogous organs is option B, wing of a bat and wing of a bird. Different structure, different origin, but same function. The structural and functional unit of kidneys is nephron. Question number 79. In monohybrid cross, the ratio of tall plants and the dwarf plants is 3:1. That is, phenotypic ratio in monohybrid cross is 3:1. The correct pathway of nerve impulse is, that is P, that is dendrites again to R, that is cell body, again from cell body to the axon, again from axon to the nerve ending. Now it sets off a chemical reaction, that is the gap between two neurons is synapse. Again the same path is involved, that is dendrites, cell body, axon and nerve ending after another neuron until it reaches brain and the muscles, that is the nerve impulse. Therefore the correct answer is option C, PRSQ, dendrite, cell body, axon and nerve ending. The gap between two neurons is called as synapse. It sets up the chemical reaction between the synapse to pass on the nerve impulse to the another neuron. Students, for each of this question, do read the textbook, understand the concept. Thank you for watching the video. If you find my videos are useful, do subscribe the channel. Don't miss out any video. Do read the textbook. Score A+. Best wishes for your exam. Thank you all.